Hi everyone, this is Lucy. Today I'm making a very old recipe found in Carmen Valdejuli's book, Cocina Criolla. She named this recipe Arroz a la Regenta. And this is my version of this wonderful recipe. I hope you like it. So let's begin by making a broth with the chicken that we're using for the recipe. In a large pot, place 2 pounds of skinless and boneless chicken breast, and then add 1 diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, salt and pepper, and 6 cups of water. Let it boil for about 45 minutes in medium temperature. Then, after the 45 minutes boiling, uncover the chicken, remove the chicken from the pot, place it into a small bowl, and then we're going to strain the broth. And we're going to preserve the broth until we have to use it. We can discard whatever is left in the strainer. Then I'm going to shred the chicken using 2 forks. This chicken is going to be prepared in a bechamel sauce. Using a big skillet, I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter, in which I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to cook this flour until there's no lumps. And right now I'm cooking in medium temperature. Then when the flour is completely mixed with the butter, I'm going to add 1 cup of the chicken broth. And wait until the chicken broth gets into a gravy-like consistency. Then I'm going to add 1/2 of a cup of wine. And the wine is completely optional. If you don't have the wine, it's okay, nothing will happen. Mix it, and then we're going to add the chicken. And you can add salt and pepper if you like at this point. I'm not going to add salt and pepper because the broth already have the salt and pepper that I need. Mix it well, let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn off the stove. And now to prepare the rice. In a Dutch oven, I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter, in which I'm going to saute 1 small diced onion. And I'm cooking right now in high temperature. Then when the onion is translucent, I add 2.5 cups of white short grain rice and 1/2 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to add 3 3/4 of a cup of the chicken broth. Once the mixture is boiling, lower the temperature to medium and let it absorb all the liquid. And then we mix it once again, lower the temperature to very low, cover and let it cook for about 40 minutes. And always remember, the ingredients and the steps for this recipe are in the description area below this video. My understanding is that Regent is a queen mother, so we're making a crown using a 9-inch ring baking dish or pan. We're going to press the rice inside the pan to make the crown. Then we place it into the serving dish. Inside the ring, we're going to place the chicken. And your Regent rice is ready to be served. Buen provecho. I hope you like this video and that you subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please come back to see me again. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. See you soon. Bye bye.